Picture this, you're a hardware wholesaler, buried under a mountain of spreadsheets, frantically trying to update stock levels as your phone rings off the hook with new orders. Suddenly, you realize you've entered the wrong product code again. That sinking feeling hits you. How many other errors are lurking in your data, potentially costing you thousands? Whatever your job role, if you've dealt with the chaos of manual data entry, you know it can be overwhelming. But what if you could transform those tasks into a streamlined, error-free process? In this video, you'll learn to streamline data entry in Excel utilizing Copilot, and by mastering these techniques, you'll be able to consolidate your workflow, reduce errors, and focus on more critical tasks. By the end of this video, you will be able to optimize data entry processes in Excel, automate data entry tasks with Copilot.
Data entry can be incredibly time-consuming, especially when managing extensive data sets. Fortunately, Excel offers several tools to streamline this process, such as keyboard shortcuts, the fill handle, flash fill, and data validation lists. But to really accelerate your workflow, incorporating Copilot can dramatically reduce the time and effort required. Here's a data set that includes product codes, descriptions, categories, stock levels, reorder points, cost prices, supplier names, and the dates of the last orders. Let's explore how you can use Excel's tools to manage this data more efficiently. To start, essential keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up data entry. For instance, using Ctrl and D allows you to copy data from the cell above into your current cell. This is especially useful for updating stock quantities quickly. For example, if a customer purchases 50 units of a 1-inch PVC pipe, you can use Ctrl and D to replicate the product information into the next row and adjust the stock level accordingly. This method is much faster and more consistent than retyping the information. The fill handle is another powerful tool. Located at the bottom right corner of a selected cell, this small square lets you fill adjacent cells with data based on a pattern. For instance, if you enter 1 and 2 into 2 cells, you can use the fill handle to extend the sequence down a column or across a row by simply highlighting the data you've entered and dragging it down. Similarly, you can use it to fill in a series of dates, days, or months. For example, highlight Monday to Tuesday, and then dragging the fill handle will automatically populate the rest of the week. It can even handle mixed data types, such as text combined with numbers, making it ideal for tasks like filling out sequential quarters. In addition to the fill handle, the copy series option is handy for repeating the same information. For instance, if you want every row in a new column to indicate June, you can type June into one cell and then holding the fill handle, drag it down, and then select Copy Series from the Autofill Options drop-down menu. This will populate the entire column with June, saving you the trouble of manual entry. Flash fill is another tool that helps automate data entry by detecting patterns. For example, we have a product code in column A. Now I'm inserting 2 columns to the right. Label column B product name and column C product ID. Begin by telling Excel which pattern you want it to recognize, and we want to split the product name from the ID reference. For the first product, enter tool in column B and 009 in column C. Next, enter PVC and 007. Now, select the next blank cell and use Ctrl and E to activate Flash Fill in both of these columns, and Excel will fill in the rest based on the pattern you've established. This tool is incredibly effective for extracting data, text, or numbers without the need for complex formulas. Now let's highlight how Copilot can take your efficiency to the next level. In this data set on sheet 4, I've added a name and size column to E and F, and filled in the data using the flash fill. Can you spot the empty cells in column F? Instead of filling these cells manually, let's ask Copilot. Enter the prompt, fill all the empty cells in column F with not applicable. Press enter, and it will swiftly complete the task for you, ensuring consistency across your dataset.
In this video, we explored how to significantly reduce your data entry time in Excel by using efficient techniques such as keyboard shortcuts, the fill handle, and flash fill. These tools allow you to quickly and accurately manage large data sets such as inventory for a hardware wholesaler while minimizing errors. Additionally, we demonstrated how Copilot can assist in automating some of these processes, making your workflow even more streamlined. Apply these strategies to your spreadsheets now and watch your productivity soar as Copilot handles routine tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Take control of your efficiency. Start optimizing your spreadsheets today.